Right, it's Mike, Custom Cruisers. Right, tranny back together, shifter shaft set. So you got a 1/10 of an inch each side of that, which is done with this, which is very important actually. Jack shaft on, new spacer here, the seal behind it, new seal in here, new seal here. This is the thing for the shift rod, okay, that holds the shifter forks, this thing. New seal on here, you know, new O-ring, everything. Okay, new stator. This is a new rotor going on, the one without the magnets. Primary, that has to be recessed 0.1 of an inch, so that's still got to be done. This is the new bearing, which is this sealed bearing, okay. And you can see there's a new seal on there as well, okay. So basically, when you fit this sealed bearing, you've got that straight on the shaft. None of these stupid sleeve things like this, which are a load of crap, that goes on there. And basically bearing runs on that, okay. Whereas this system obviously way better. New pulley to go on, okay. It's taking the 34, so it's actually going to drop the revs a bit as well. Okay, better for touring. I'm going to turn this into an FXRT, or the other one, I'm not sure which one, but one of these will become the new FXRT. Okay, with all the clamshells. Billet 6 brakes, better than the twin disc on the one that is the FXRT. The little fairing really does work. It doesn't look a lot, but it really does. Okay, cracking bike. Do love this bike. The pulley was new before. The belt's now new. Sprocket's new. Going around this side. These are the wheels I've had done for the other one. The FXRT one. Copious cups of tea. New, well, powder coated swinging arm, new cleave blocks, adjuster's incorrect, this is the wrong one, way too big off a glide. Okay, it does work. Reconnect this, you can see all this lot's been done, you know, all this has been rebuilt fully to tranny. Okay, new bearing seals, etc. So now it's just really a matter of put the exhaust back on, put the put the rear exhaust on, brake back on. Primary, bit of a pain, not an easy job, because if you fuck something up, you've got to take the whole lot off again. Okay, that is the one job I do hate. Now, buying the proper tools, which I believe this is the one, yeah, are worth the money, believe me. They really are well worth buying the proper tools to push the seals down, okay. You know, this is Jim's, I believe, but also the Jim's for putting these sleeves on. It's very easy to damage this, pushing up, so there's like a aluminium cover goes over here which stops any chance of any damage, okay. But yeah, anyway, pretty well ready to go, ready to rock and roll, as they'd say. Thank you.